What's kicking, y'all? Kwikpanik here, and I'm back in gear. Don't you have no fear. Today's episode is Pokemon flavored. More specifically, it's time for some more Unified Minds. I've got an Elite Trainer box here, and I am super stoked to open more of these packs. I hope you saw my full box opening that I did to kick off the release of Unified Minds. I also have some special editions to open up with the triple blister packs and the promos. So that'll be in the next video. That's Pokemon flavored. I also have the giveaway for the Funko Pops that I did. The giveaway ended yesterday, 2 days ago, whenever you see this. I did it on last Sunday, and I will be selecting the winner and recording a separate video for that, which will be going up on Wednesday. So it'll be an off-cycle video, and it'll include a channel update and all that fun stuff. So let's get into opening this. I'm really hoping that we get ourselves a Mega Tyranitar, Tyranitar Mega Sableye, or a Umbreon Darkrai, or a Deoxys Espeon. We opened that full box, and spoilers, I didn't get any of those. I really love the art for Mewtwo and Mewtwo. Mewtwo and Mew as well, is what I was trying to say. Like T-O-O, not T-W-O. So, let me change this a little bit. Oh, wrong way, quick. Wrong way. Okay, I'm just trying to give you a little bit more visibility. There we go. We got our guide. Handy dandy guide. Oh, maybe I need to look at this for once. Gosh, the art is so good for these. Like, look at that. Ah! Okay, so I need to pull one of those cards. So, comment section down below. Before we get started, that's trippy. Goodbye. Let me know if you think we're going to pull one of those GX tag teams. Let me know what you think, which one you think it's going to be. I'm excited. I'm excited to try. I'm excited to have these sleeves. I kind of wish I played the TCG. That way I could utilize them. There's so many cool Pokemon sleeves. Yu-Gi-Oh! Doesn't have cool character sleeves like this. Like the art. The art is so good. Okay. More dividers. I honestly have not done anything with these dividers. Here is a code card. I don't even know what that gets you, honestly. Somebody in the comment section let me know what that does. There are some pink. Look at those die. Those are pretty cool looking dice. Unified Minds colors are real good. I like that a lot. Look at my English. Real good. That's some real good stuff. Like, what am I supposed to do with all of these? I still have them big GX tag teams. Is there a use for these in the card game? I don't think so. I don't know. I'm not a doctor. But what I do know is that we're about to open some heckin' Pokemon cards. So wish me luck. Wish me luck here. Those of you who are after the codes, prepare yourself. Oh, looks like we have 8 packs. Okay. For some reason, I thought it was 7. Is that only when we get a promo? Is this 2 art sets? All right. This is art set number A. That's right, number A. This is art set number B. Comment section, tell me which team you're on. Number A or number B. All right, let's start. We're going with Garchomp, Giratina. Let's start off Plowerful. Let's start. That's my nickname for what's her name? Roserade. When I use her competitively. Are you gonna focus on my cards or not? No. Oh yeah. There's your code card. Hope you enjoy. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's the electric. It's not lightning. I don't care what you say. All right. We got ourselves a coach trainer. Is that a Pikachu? And what does the other guy have? Nothing. Lame. We got Cresselia. Every time I open like these sets, I'm like, have I seen that card before? We got a Cherish Ball. A Skorupi, the mon who's hard to get. We got a Wimpod. Noibat. I love Noibat. We got ourselves a Sneasel. That's such good art. I already talked about that. Boundsweet. We got ourselves a reverse rare ear-ring bell. And the rare. This is it. Okay. I mean, this Noivern is really cool art. Actually. That's the best Noivern art. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, like, okay. I'm not trying to, like, make the best out of bad situation. I hate when people open packs and they're like, oh man, we didn't get anything good. They'll open like 27 packs and get 0 holos. And they'll be like, I'm just really happy about this. Listen, I like the art, okay? I think the art on that one's cool. Okay, don't judge me, you judge. Stop judging. Judgy McJudgerton over there. All right, here's your code card. Enjoy. Has anybody gotten anything good out of these? 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's grass. It's not leaf. It's grass. We got another coach trainer. We got ourselves a Cresselia. This looks super familiar. Onyx. I like that art too. Fletchinder. We got ourselves a Snover. Murkrow. Is he in a, it looks like he's in a boxing ring and he's in the corner. He just went 19 rounds with a Hitmonchan and he's ready to land that super effective Drill Peck. We got ourselves an Execute. The reverse is an Abomasnow. And the rare. I feel like I haven't seen this card. Drapion. It looks kind of cool. Alright, you go over here. You go over here. You do this. Okay. Number A, you're screwing with my happy feelings. I woke up this morning and I was like, man, this is going to be a big fat doo-doo day. And then after I got back from the gym, hung out with Enharmonic for a little bit, and now I'm happy face. There is the code card. Fun fact, the Twitch stream calls my wife Gumi. Flip 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's steel. That's not metal. It's steel. We don't have Metalix. We have Steelix. I got ourselves a Normalium Z, a Hapu. We got a Magneton, Stunfisk. Goodbye, Gibble. Gibble. We got a Lickitung with a Wild Tongue. We got ourselves a Dwebble staring at that Moltres, who's about to land the most super effective Ancient Power. That's right, because Dwebble is part rock. Muna. We got ourselves a Reverse Execute. And the rare. Honchkrow. Number A. Why? Dude, could you imagine we go through all these and we get no holos? I would be the saddest lad. Deoxys and Espeon, save me. Enjoy. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's water. We got ourselves a Dragonair, Delmise, Heracross with really sick art. We got ourselves a Schluckhoff, Fungus, Honedge, Magnemite, Fletchling, Gibble as a reverse, and the rare. Zygarde Doggo form. All right, we gotta step our game up here, guys. All right, Garchomp, don't let me down again. Don't let me down again. Ugh. Oh, I spoiled it. We're getting a holo this back. My bad. There's your code. I don't know why I opened it wrong that time. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's electric. Right? Not lightning. Electric. We got ourselves a Komala. Pokemon Research Lab. Luminion. Pidoof. Poiple. Numel. We got ourselves an Axew. A Finneon. The reverse is a and the rare. Hollow Aegislash. Where's my tag team? Huh? Pokemon Company? You owe me. I paid like 500 schmeckles for this thing. And by 500, I mean like, I don't know. What are these, $30? $30? Something to that effect? All right, this is going to be the good one. I can feel it in my Helix fossils. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's fire! You'll never know. Audino, Yanmega, Jinx. Oh wait, that goes with the Yanmega. Yungoos, Cryogonal, Bitwig, a Drillbur. The reverse is a Bidoof. And the rare. A Bummer Snow is more like it. Next pack. Oh my gosh. Didn't this happen last time we did like Unbroken Bonds and it was straight up doo-doo butter? There is your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fighting. We got ourselves a Giant Bomb. Bug Catcher. Mesprit. A Alolan Grimer. Carablast. Honedge. Pika. Sneasel. A Steelix is a... Oh, I couldn't even tell this was the reverse. Oh my gosh, guys. This was butt cheeks. All right, this is the last pack. I'm going to need some thoughts, hopes, prayers. Okay, last pack. Say a prayer. Say a prayer to Arceus? No. Yes, Arceus. All right. There's your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's steel, not metal. All right. We got Misty's favor. Misty, if you're going to give me a favor, please let that favor be getting me a tag team. Noctowl. A Karakosta. Fomantis. A Seawaddle. Marini. We got ourselves a Litwick. Oh, We got a Carablast as our reverse. And I'd just like to say thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate your support. I'm going to show you this rare in a second. But leave a like on the video if you enjoy this content. And let me know in the comment section all those things I asked you. Just anything in the comment section. Just the letter 4. The letter 4. Remember, this is number A and number B. And follow me on Twitch if you haven't already. I will be streaming on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And I'm streaming Minecraft and Pokemon. So if you enjoy either of those, it's going to be a good time. Subscribe to the channel if you've not already. I'm bringing videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays at 4 p.m., 4 p.m., and 12 p.m. Central, respectively. And the rare. I let you down every time! That's all I've got for today. Hope you guys have an awesome day later.